All right, left AC bay, airplane forward, control cabin, modulating valve. Now we're going to the back. Pack temp control valve, standby, and this is for the left side. Then we'll go around. Now we're in the right, forward. Now we're coming to the aft. Pack temp control valve for the right, standby temp control valve. One trim air shutoff valve. I think this one is let's see if we can read that. That says forward cabin. So that one up there, the aft cabin, there you are, above each other. So forward cabin is the lower, aft cabin is the upper.